I am so relieved and happy with how healthy my hair is. Guys, I just got off of work not long ago and about to warm up some leftovers for our dinner, but I thought I would hop on and show you my hair. I finally got them braids out, girl. Finally did. It's in good condition, and as you can see, I did not big chop yet. Okay, it's still an option. It's healthy though. I'm very happy with how healthy it is. Before y'all, and I should have known though, when I did get the twist, when I got the Senegalese twist, I forgot, when did I get those, Lord? It's been a minute. But the last braids I had were medium knotless braids, and they were beautiful, and I love my stylist, but I just needed them, and I was really kind of concerned because I've heard so many horror stories, and I really haven't had braids since I was in college, to be honest. I went ahead and did it because we went to New York City for my birthday in November, and I didn't want to bother with hair at all. Okay, so I did that, found a great stylist who was highly recommended. She took good care of my hair, but let me tell you, when I took out those twists, this was my bad, big time. I didn't go through and just thoroughly detangle, and it was a disaster, guys. It was a total disaster. So it almost locked on its own, but it wasn't locked like I would want my hair to lock. You know what I'm saying? It was not intentional at all. So it was a pretty scary experience. It took me forever to detangle, but I got it. A few weeks later, wait a minute, is that right? No, let me back up. The Senegalese twists were back in September, I think. I just got those because we were going out of town. My husband and I were going out of town. Then after that, that's the instance when my hair was really damaged and it locked on its own. Not really damaged, but my hair was not in the best condition, okay? So then fast forward to November, my birthday, I had the medium knotless braids that I just took out. So I've had those for a while, honey, longer than what I should. I didn't want to deal with my hair, girl. Took them out. It took several hours for me to take those out and really carefully kind of get that product buildup off. So I took my time while my husband and I watched movies, and it took about 3 hours to get these braids out. So then I slathered this stuff, honey, with some leave-in conditioner by Mael, and I just, carefully just kind of combed through with the wide tooth comb each section. Very minimal breakage. I was so happy. What I typically do, which is not right, I typically just go in the sink and I'm like this. You know what I'm saying? And it was a mess. That's what happened last time. This time I stood in the shower, just let the water go through, just get through each strand of my hair, deep conditioned, brushed it out in the shower, and voila. I am so relieved and so happy because it is very healthy. It's very healthy. So this is Saturday night. What's today? 6th. So it was the 4th. I went ahead and took them down and really babied it. Went to church, honey, but I had it just slicked back in a ponytail. But I am so relieved and happy with how healthy my hair is. I have no product in here. Well, a little bit of gel right here on my edges because I had it pulled back. But other than that, girl, this is perfection, honey. I'm very happy. I will not do the big chop right now. That's not out of the picture. I love a short haircut. And in my 50s, I always said that I wanted to either really go through that spiritual journey of locking my hair, or I would do a big chop again and maybe just keep it short. I've considered every possibility, but I wanted a new beginning, a new journey in my 50s. We'll see what the future holds. But I wanted to jump on and just show you this, guys. I did take down my braids. For the few of you that are subscribed or watching or who even care, I was so excited. I just wanted to make a video. And so I can document myself also the date that I took these out and how my hair flourished. It reverted back perfectly. So again, I will go to a stylist and get a trim though and get it shaped pretty well. So I may wear my hair like this in the winter months. I like to straighten it, but I haven't had my hair straightened in about 10 years. I may do that, a blowout or something. We'll see, so I can get a good trim. But guys, I'm happy with it. I just got off work. So now I have some stuff to do around this bedroom, honey. This closet in here has been a mess. I've made progress. And I have a lot of stuff to donate, and then some stuff to give to maybe my sister-in-law and possibly my mom. Just getting rid of. You know, I'm trying to adopt this minimalist mentality, which is very, very smart and it's very wise. And I would love to really get on board with it. So I'm starting here, and this year I need to declutter. That is going to be probably a project. This is even my pre-spring cleaning, okay? But I have a lot to do, but we're going to start with the closet. And I have made progress. I did not record that. It was just too much going on, y'all, with the holidays just passing and all that. But we'll definitely take you along with any other projects, all projects that I'll be working on, starting with the kitchen, pantry, probably next. Just going through these closets, because there's so much stuff from even when we moved here, y'all, 4 years ago, almost 5 years ago. You know, when you come in and you're just trying to get everything situated and not get rid of things, I've learned that next time we move, I will start getting rid of things instead of packing everything and bringing it to a new home. That's something I do not want to do in the future. But I'm going to finish this, and I hope you have a great evening. If you have not subscribed yet and you're inclined to do so, I would appreciate it. Please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed my content or enjoyed this video. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads, and I hope to see you very soon. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.